You've just started your journey to financial freedom. You're feeling unstoppable, but then a tiny misstep sends your plans spiraling. Suddenly, you're not building wealth, you're patching mistakes. Does that sound like something you want? Probably not. But here's the good news. You can avoid this. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 most common beginner mistakes that sabotage your financial future, and more importantly, how to dodge them. These mistakes are silent wealth killers. And trust me, you don't want to fall into these traps. Stick around until the end because I will give you a surprise. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, ignoring the power of a budget. Here's the first mistake, not budgeting. I get it, budgeting isn't sexy. Who wants to sit down with a spreadsheet and crunch numbers, right? But let me ask you, how can you control your money if you don't even know where it's going? Here's the thing, not budgeting is like driving in the dark without headlights. You might feel like you're moving forward, but you're this close to crashing. I once met someone who thought they were saving $500 a month. Turns out they were spending $300 on food delivery alone. What's the hidden drain on your finances? Here's mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. Ever gotten a raise or bonus and thought, I deserve to treat myself? Suddenly, that $1,000 raise is gone. Upgraded gadget, fancy dinners, maybe even a car payment. Here's a harsh truth. Lifestyle inflation is a wealth killer. It's sneaky. It whispers, you've earned this. But in reality, it's stealing from your future self. Picture this. 2 people make the same income. One spends every extra dollar on luxuries. The other invests that money. Fast forward 10 years. One has flashy things, the other has freedom. Who do you want to be? Mistake number 3, thinking saving is enough. Look, saving money is great, but if all you're doing is stuffing cash into a savings account, you're losing money to inflation. Your dollars today will be worth less tomorrow. Here's a quick quiz. If you save $10,000 today and leave it in a savings account for 10 years, earning 0.5% interest, what will you have? And here's your surprise. If you're serious about making smarter financial moves, I've got the perfect next step for you. Check out my video on the 3 best stocks for 2025. Link in description below. So my friend, next 4th and 5th mistake are very important for all beginners. That's why I make a new video on that mistake. So subscribe my channel for Save Your Money by This Mistake.